Hi guys, today I will be unboxing this Bellini 60 centimeters Slimline Range Hood. So this one has a twin motors, a 3-speed operation with aluminum filter. Okay, so I'll just show you the back side. Okay, so you can see here there's like a switches for a different speed and light. And here is the filter. Okay, I will open this now so you can see what's inside. Just remove this one. So, like this. Okay, just hold it a little bit. Okay, here you go. As you can see, there's a hole at the top and also hole at the back. So there's an option for the placement of this one. And here at the front, there's the switches of 1, 2, 3. Then this is the light. Okay, then just remove this one. Oh, there's a cat. Curious cat. Okay. So the bottom, you see, this is the filter. So there are 2 filters. The aluminum filter and 2 motors. And this is the light. Okay, so that's it. I will install this one and I will show you later when it's running. By the way, before installing, I'll show you this one. It has a built-in carbon filter to remove the smell when you're cooking. Also this one. So you can just put this back. Put this back like that, so it's not maybe this one first here. Okay, that's it. And the other one. Okay, we'll continue with installation. Another cat. Okay, we have installed the range hood in this kitchen. So I have removed these the carbon filter. Yeah, this one. Remove this carbon filter from these 2 fans because we don't need it. So we are ducting this outside. Also, there are 2 options here. So this one is for ducting outside, and you can switch this one for recirculating. But for us, it is set to outside ducting. Okay, then I'll show you the filter. So here is the filter. You can just push it in. Yeah. By the way, I forgot to mention this range hood came with the fittings for the ducting. it was placed inside here, what I shown in the unboxing video. Also, it came with the screws for installation. Okay, just put this one on. Yeah, so we can try. So this is first speed, second, third. So this is slower, fast, medium, and faster. And this is the LED light. That one. Then try this one. Then off. Stronger. Let's turn off. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching.